What's up, guys? Today, oh, don't have a hat on. My hair's messed up, don't care. Today is day 7 of the vacation. Haven't gotten a lot done, but today what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the truck moved. See, so y'all can see. We're gonna get the truck off the lift, and we gotta get another vehicle on the lift. Was trying to get it done yesterday, but other things happened and that didn't work out. So, doing that today. It's also the wife's birthday, so she gets off at 3:30. So after that, I'm kind of booked up, you know, doing birthday stuff. Anyway, y'all comment, like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. It'll tell you when one of my videos pops up. But yeah, we're gonna get to work. We got a lot to do and a short time to get there. But remember, just do it. Worry about it later. See you later. Well, we got it moved. The lift is clear. Just got to clean up around it. Yeah. Whew. Oh man, ain't easy to move that truck by yourself. All right, back to it. All right, so what we're doing is we're draining the transmission fluid. Got it up on the lift. Draining all the fluid out. Looks pretty bad. Have I told you lately how much I love having a lift because I can get up under here and do stuff up underneath it. It's freaking awesome. So, all right, we're gonna let this drain and we'll be back at it in a minute. All right, so we got all the transmission fluid drained out. Got the plug back in. Now it's time to lower it down and fill it back up. That's gonna be a booger bear to get to. Look at that down there. I gotta get my big hand down there. That wasn't so bad. Hello.
Hey, Johnny.
What you doing?
I'm heading to the bank. I just want to already there.
Hold on just a second. Okay, can you hear me? No. No, it's actually really easy. It's actually really easy. Yep, I was. I was like, this might not be good. My LED. No. Well, my truck hasn't been up on here, but oh, yeah, that's true. It could be because I had it lifted up. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep. You would think that, right? Okay, well, y'all didn't all see that, but I got everything put back together. Now we got to crank it up and put it in gear. Look, got to lower it down. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so I know we ended this video. It's a different day, but there was something I wanted to tell y'all. I did change the fluid in the transmission. To be quite honest with you, I don't know if there's a transmission filter or not, but let me show y'all what we got working on. It's a 2013 Ford Explorer, but I call it the Exploder. No other reason than I think it's just cool. But anyway, guys, so what I did, changed the fluid, put some Lucas transmission, you know, not really a stop leak, but transmission fix in, put all new fluid in, which by the way, that transmission fluid now, I'm telling you what, it was $13.99 a quart. Unbelievable. But anyway, I got a product that I used, and it worked really well. It's called Shudder Fix. You can get it at O'Reilly's. And by the way, if you use your O Rewards points, you get a nice little discount. Anyway, put that in it. We drove this car 600 miles over the weekend. Had an awesome time. Saw a bunch of really cool cars, but never once had a problem with the shifting or the shuttering or anything, because it was only do it in like under acceleration in 3rd gear and 5th gear. It's a 6-speed transmission, but it worked great. The Shudder Fix works. I've had 3 or 4 people tell me about it, and I finally decided to break down and just get it and put it in there, and oh my goodness, it fixes it. So hey, there's gonna be a link in the description below, and I'm gonna put a link up on the screen here. Y'all, appreciate y'all watching my video. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey, if there's something I screwed up on, let me know. I don't mind. I'm just a squirrel in this world trying to get a nut. But anyway, just do it. Worry about it later. We'll see y'all next time.